How to link your Gemini credit card to your account. First of all, open the Gemini app on your device and log into your account. Next, tap on the Cards section from the bottom bar. From the Cards section, choose Link Gemini Credit Card. Enter your Gemini credit card details including the card number, expiration date and CVV code. Double-check the information to ensure accuracy. Once the details are entered, tap Link Card or Submit. Gemini may prompt you to verify your identity using a code sent via SMS, email, or your authenticator app. After completing the verification, your Gemini credit card will be successfully linked to your account. You can now use it to make purchases, track transactions, and manage rewards directly from your Gemini app. Now you know how to link your Gemini credit card to your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.